Most people compare Dave and MoneyLion like they are the same kind of app. That's where they get it wrong. Here's the truth no one tells you. These two apps are not just different in features, they are built for completely different financial goals. In this video you'll get a full 2026 breakdown of Dave versus MoneyLion, so you can clearly decide which one fits your situation. Let's start with Dave. Dave is mainly focused on small cash advances and simple budgeting help. It gives you short-term access to money before payday to help you avoid overdraft fees and short cash gaps. For example, Alex uses Dave when he is a few days away from payday and needs a small advance to cover groceries or bills. The app is simple, predictable, and built for short-term stability. Now let's look at MoneyLion. MoneyLion is a much broader financial platform. It includes cash advances, but also offers banking services, credit building tools, investment features, and even loans depending on eligibility. Jake prefers MoneyLion because he wants one app that handles banking, credit monitoring, and financial growth tools all in one place. Now here's where it gets interesting. Dave focuses on simplicity and quick access to small amounts. MoneyLion focuses on building a full financial ecosystem. That means more tools, but also more complexity. But here's the problem. This is where most users misunderstand both apps. They assume MoneyLion always gives bigger cash advances than Dave. That is not guaranteed. Both apps base approval on income consistency, bank activity, and financial behavior. Now let's compare cash advance limits. Dave usually starts users with smaller limits that grow slowly over time, based on responsible usage and stable income. MoneyLion may offer higher potential advance amounts for eligible users, but it varies widely depending on your account profile and usage of their services. In a minute, I'll show you which app is better for beginners. Let's talk about features. Dave keeps things simple. You get budgeting tools, alerts, and cash advances without much complexity. It is easy to understand even for first-time users. MoneyLion offers more advanced features like credit builder accounts, investment options, and financial tracking. But that also means there is more to manage. Now here's where it gets interesting. If your goal is just to avoid overdraft fees and get small emergency cash quickly, Dave is easier and more straightforward. If you want to build credit, invest, and manage multiple financial tools in one place, MoneyLion offers more long-term value. So which one is better in 2026? There is no single winner. Dave is better for simple, fast, and small cash support. MoneyLion is better for users who want a full financial platform with long-term growth tools. The key takeaway is simple. Dave is minimal and focused. MoneyLion is powerful but complex. Your choice depends on whether you want quick stability or full financial management. If this comparison helped you understand the difference, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.